Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because today, we're diving deep into something truly elite. This is not your average luxury sedan. This is Japan's answer to Rolls-Royce. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the 2026 Toyota Century, in an elegant, understated gray that perfectly suits its personality, dignified, powerful, and quietly commanding. In this video, we'll take you through a full, in-depth review, inside and out. We'll talk about the design, the technology, the performance, and of course, the price tag that comes with such luxury. So buckle up, this is a car designed for those who usually sit in the back seat, but it demands attention from every angle. Now from the outside, the 2026 Century keeps that ultra-luxury, ultra-reserved aesthetic. This isn't a car that screams for attention, it's a car that earns it. The gray paint job here is called Kamui Gray. A custom shade with a subtle metallic finish that reflects light in the most refined way possible. It doesn't sparkle, it glows. Pair that with polished chrome accents, hand-finished detailing, and a new front grille that's larger and more elegant than ever, and you have a car that feels more like a moving sculpture than a piece of transportation. You'll also notice the Phoenix emblem, not Toyota's traditional logo, because the Century exists in its own class. Hand-polished 20-inch wheels, soft closed doors, and full LED lighting complete the look. And yes, there's still no sunroof. Why? Because it would compromise the structural silence, and silence is sacred in this car. Open the door, and you're stepping into what can only be described as a moving sanctuary. Inside the 2026 Century, it's all about craftsmanship. The cabin is upholstered in the highest grade of wool, not leather, because in Japan, wool breathes better and symbolizes traditional luxury. But for global markets, leather is an option. Everything is soft touch, every control is damped, and even the door handles feel like they've been engineered for royalty. Rear seats are fully reclining, with massaging functions, retractable footrests, and a central control panel that allows passengers to adjust everything, from seat temperature to media to rear window privacy shades. There's a massive rear infotainment display, individual climate zones, and a built-in mini fridge. Acoustic glass and soundproofing materials wrap the entire cabin in a cocoon of silence. You could literally whisper, and be heard perfectly. Up front, the driver is treated with a digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But don't expect flashy animations, everything here is designed to serve, not distract. Under the hood, Toyota has retired the old V8. The 2026 Century now runs a 3.5-liter V6 plug-in hybrid system, delivering a smooth, silent, and surprisingly potent 406 horsepower. But don't let the horsepower fool you, this isn't a sports sedan. The Century is about effortless movement. It glides, it floats, and it handles bumps with a composure few cars can match. The E4 Advanced AWD system ensures stability, especially during tight turns or bad weather. Acceleration is quiet but authoritative, with 0 to 60 coming in just under 6 seconds, not bad for a car that weighs over 5,500 pounds. Toyota has retuned the suspension for maximum comfort using an adaptive air system that reads road conditions in real time. And yes, it's still built in the Higashi-Fuji plant by master craftsmen, known as Takumi, who assemble each Century by hand. Now, let's talk about what it costs to experience this level of luxury. The 2026 Toyota Century is expected to start at around $170,000 in international markets. In Japan, it's a little more accessible due to domestic incentives, but for most buyers, this is not a price you pay for specs, this is what you pay for prestige, heritage, and true craftsmanship. Compare that to a Rolls-Royce Ghost or Bentley Flying Spur, and the Century still comes across as a value luxury proposition. It's not trying to compete, it's just doing things its own way. Quietly. Elegantly. Unapologetically. So, is the 2026 Toyota Century the ultimate luxury sedan? For those who value discretion over drama, and craftsmanship over flash, it just might be. It's a car for those who don't need to shout to be heard. And in a world of loud engines and louder egos, that's a statement all on its own. Let me know what you think of the Century in the comments below. Would you take this over a Bentley or Rolls? Or is Toyota playing in a different league altogether? Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an automotive deep dive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.